Hello Odooers. Today we will see how to automatically load details of terms and condition in Dev Repair Terms Condition module from Repair module. You can see here our module Dev Repair Terms and Condition. Install for click on Activate button. Go to Repairs menu. Go to Configuration menu. And you can see here Terms and Condition menu. Go to this menu and I create new. First I create repair cost and payment. And add details. Let's save. And another is cost estimate. Add cost estimate. And add details. Let's save. Go to repairs order. You can see here repair notes. Go to these pages. And you can see here terms and condition. Repair cost and payment and cost estimate. I did created. First I select repair cost and payment. So you can see here details. Let's save. Another is cost estimate and loaded automatically details here. Thank you.